So my main topic was how does psychology relate to other aspects of science? And I think psychology relates to physiology because physiology is a study of different bodily functions, which includes the brain, of course, because it also includes the study of how the mind and the body work together. So one physiologist was named Pavlov, and he had a lab and was studying the digestive system of dogs. So whenever he was doing this, he saw that the dogs would automatically salivate whenever they saw food, which was the unconditioned response. And And so then he decided to add a whistle every time he brought them food. So over a specific time period, like a few weeks, let's say, every time he brought them food, he would also whistle. So they would associate the food with a whistle, and they would automatically salivate, which was the conditioned response. He discovered that you can also add another conditioned stimulus, like a flashlight. So it can be a flashlight and a whistle. And those, if you take the food away, if you shine the flashlight or blow the whistle, then the dog will salivate. A person who continued this research was Watson, and Watson studied this baby who was petting animals, like a monkey, a rat. This was called the Little Albert experiment. He was petting the monkey and the rat, and every time he pet them, they would hit a metal bar, and it would create a shearing noise, and so the baby would cry and associate the animal with something bad. And this is called classical conditioning, and so I just think that's really interesting. Yes, that's how I'm going to end.